it's Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's tap video, I am doing the difference between shuffles and scuffles. Let's break it down. Okay, so sorry guys, the lighting in here today is especially funky. We're in the middle of a solar eclipse, so anyway, apologies. All right, so a shuffle, just to remind you, is a brush forward and a brush back. All right, a scuffle is now a scuff on that heel and a brush back. On the other side, all right, so if you wanted to do a scuffle hop step, that's a little different. So just to remind you, you can do a shuffle hop step, which is shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. So scuffle hop step, you're going to take out the full scuff and you're going to do a dig, brush, hop, step, 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 dig, brush, hop, step. Now, if you want to go a little faster, you can take out the full hop and do a heel drop. So it would be dig, brush, hop, step, dig, brush, hop, step, dig, brush, hop, step, dig, brush, hop, step. And there you go. That is a scuffle hop step. All right, I hope you like that. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, check out all my other videos, and I'll see you in my next.